What's going on YouTube? My name is Jen and welcome to my channel where I make videos to entertain you. And today I'm reacting to EXO. What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you should know that I love to have fun with K-pop and I react to many different K-pop groups in many different ways. So if you're into that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. But today I am back with another EXO reaction. I know guys, I know it has been a while since I reacted to EXO and you guys have been waiting and requesting more EXO stuff. But believe me that I have not gone a day without listening to them. I think like a couple of days ago, or maybe like late last week, I posted on my story on Instagram a picture of the song Promise on my Apple Music. And I said that I haven't stopped listening to that song ever since I reacted to it for the very first time. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But I think Promise has become one of my all-time favorite K-pop songs ever. It's really hard. I don't know if it's like the number one, right? But it's definitely one of my favorite, like from all the groups I've listened to ever. And I think that's a very big statement, but there's something about the melody, their voices, the meaning, the lyrics, like everything. Really, I really love that song just in general. So I really do listen to it pretty much every day, different times of the day or just randomly. I'm trying to learn the lyrics in Korean just so that I can actually sing along to it better. But yeah, so I've been missing EXO. So today what we have in store for this video is the Cosmic Railway and A Sweet Life live performance from Japan. So these two videos were requested a lot, so I'm gonna check them out. If there are any other ones that you would like me to check out down the road, always like let me know in the comments. I'm always looking at the comments. I don't always get the chance to reply to everybody, but I pretty much read all of them. So I do take your requests into consideration, so let me know, right? Alright, so also before I hit start on here, guess what guys? I have finally ordered my very first EXO merch item. Like, I'm not gonna tell you what it is until it gets here so I can show you. But I ordered my very first thing, EXO related merch, and I'm super excited. I had to pre-order it because I think it was only pre-order when it came out recently. I don't know. I don't think it's like a newer thing, but when I went to the website of the store that I usually order my stuff from, it was only pre-order, and so I'm gonna get it, I think late May, maybe beginning of July, depending on when the store opens back up. But yeah, I already paid for it. It should be on its way pretty soon. And when it does, I'm gonna show you because I'm super excited to get this in my hands. But anyway, let me know in the comments. I wanna see if you can guess what I order. So let's see, I'm gonna read your comments. I'm gonna post it on Twitter to ask you what you think, maybe on my Instagram story as well. So, but anyway, I'll stop talking so we can get into these videos now. All right, so let's get started first with Cosmic Railway in Japan in 3, 2, 1. I don't think there's any captions on this. Look at him. They look so good in white. Look at them. That's a lot of people. Oh, cutie. Kai looks so cute. Look at him. Woo! Yes, you mean. Wow. Baekhyun's voice, man, kills me every time. Amazing. Come on. I love it when he sings, man. They legit don't have a bad song, like seriously, at all. Come on. I love this part. Oh, wait, hold up. I was waiting for like the Cosmic Railway chorus part, everybody kind of thing. I was not ready for Baekhyun's high note. All right? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, pay attention. That completely caught me off guard. Jeez, man. Freaking harmony is insane. Come on. Dude, I gotta just listen to that whole thing again, cause like that kind of like build up in the background with their voices and the melody and the harmony and they just the awesomeness. I don't see. I can't. Every time they do this to me, every time I can't talk. Here we go. Right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Come on, Chin. Dude, I say it every time, but the best part about this is that they literally look like they're not even trying, bro. Like they're just standing there, and it gets me every time because that just tells me how freaking talented they are, and I can never, probably will never get over that, man. They're just standing there and freaking singing like angels, like just I don't know, man. I don't know. Just every time. Oh, just chills. Oh my god. How do they always get to me, man? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh, the way he just did it, I can't. Control, man, control. It's just insane. I just can't, man. Amazing, man, amazing. I'll be freaking like screaming my lungs out if I was in there. Man, seriously, that's amazing. I think one of the reasons why I like reacting to live performances, like I really like doing that, is because you really get to just appreciate the talent, right? And you can tell when somebody is just, like I said, not trying and they're so good. Obviously, I'm not gonna say they're not trying because like obviously they put a lot of work, right? But what I'm saying is like they're naturally talented, right? And I know they work hard and they have to practice so much to perfect it and to get to where they are. But it's crazy to me how good they are. They always get to me. I always get chills. They always like make me teary-eyed, not because like I'm sad or upset or anything, but just because it makes me really happy. I can really appreciate when somebody is passionate about something and shares it with people, right? Like I love when people tell me what they're passionate about, they share with me, and they even teach me about it. That makes me truly happy. It brings me a lot of joy. So seeing this being somebody fulfilling their dream and their potential, it just, that's what brings tears to my eyes more than anything. So then they're good ones. But anyway, I went on a tangent there, so let's just get back to this. Next one that we have here is A Sweet Lies in Japan. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one has captions, but I don't know if they're in English. Oh, they are. Wow, okay. Oh my gosh. Here we go. How are we gonna start with him, man? Okay, the caption. I'm just gonna turn off the captions. They're distracting because they're all over the place. Woo! Oh, 10. Yes. Woo. Sweaty Kai. I can't. Okay. This is just my ears, just, you know, doing things. No. Baby, don't say what a liar. No. Baby, don't say what a bad guy. No. Man. Stop it. Get up. Yes, come on. The body rolls, man. Now. Woo! Hey. This is such a like sensual sounding song. And dance. Yes. FYI, one of my favorite parts of Promise is his rap part. I love it. When he goes, Kuma wo saranhei miyane, or Kuma wo miyane saranhei. I love that part so much. Oh. I love you. Yes. Oh my god. Dude. I love this part so much. Sweet lies, sweet lies. Stop. Oh my, yeah, I don't even know what any of the vocal terms are. All right, but like when he goes ooh, and obviously you know what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, yeah. Oh my god. Oh. You tell me whatever you want, boys. Oh gosh. Oh. Deal with the stop. Oof. I mean, what else do you want, man? Alright guys, so that was my reaction to Cosmic Railway and Sweet Lies in Japan, live from EXO. Yes, that was insane. Oh, another great live performance, man. There is no doubt, absolutely no doubt, they're amazing in concert, and I am so mad that I never got to see them. It's one of those things that you're like, why did I wait so long, man? Every time I watch them and I react to something or I find out about something about them, I'm always regretting that, but it's okay. You know what? I'm not gonna just like dwell on that. I'm going to enjoy my journey with them, even though it's late. Better late than never, right? That's what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to guess what that merch item that I bought, my very first EXO merch item. It's coming very soon, hopefully to my house. We'll see what happens. But when it arrives, I will show you, and I want you guys to guess what it is. So let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll post it on Instagram and Twitter as well so you can guess, all right? Anyway, guys, let me know what else I should react to EXO related, and I will do my best to make it happen as always. Until then, bye!